Hey, Gus! I guess he's on the other side of the cars. I'll walk between them.
I wouldn't.
Huh?
It's dangerous to walk between the cars.
Why?
Because if they move, you could get squished.
Squished?
Like a grape.
Alright, well, I don't want to be squished like a grape, so I'll go this way.
And don't walk too close to the cars.
Okay.
The crane operator might not see you, and the person moving the rail car has to see you at all times. Teaching this one isn't going to be easy.
Hey, Gus!
I'm in here.
Oh, there you are.
This next area you're going to see is noisy. You need to properly wear your hearing protection we provided you before you start to work in these areas. Make sure your hands are clean before inserting the earplugs in your ears. Ear muffs should fit snug but comfortable against both ears and should be kept clean and dry. Do they feel comfortable, son?
Huh?
Do the earplugs feel okay?
What?
You should be able to hear me. Kids, come on, let's go. Moving machinery like this presents several potential safety hazards. There are points where the body could get caught between two moving parts and stationary parts. These are called pinch points. You can also get hurt where moving parts come into contact with the scrap. In either case, don't get too close to these areas. And don't try to free up jammed scrap while the machine is running. Be careful of loose or dangling clothing that can be grabbed by moving parts. Guards are installed to protect you from these hazard areas. Don't ever reach around a guard or operate a machine with it removed. When you need to physically move scrap, make sure you're wearing the right gloves to protect yourself from materials that you're handling. If you're having discomfort or pain from working, you might need to do some things differently, so let your supervisor know how you feel. Whenever possible, lift by pushing up your legs, keeping your back straight, and don't twist while lifting or carrying anything. That's the way to severely hurt your back. Torch cutting can generate a lot of heat and sparks, so these workers follow important safety precautions. They wear clothes made of fabric that won't easily burn. Their clothes are cleaned regularly to prevent buildup of oil or grease that could allow them to easily catch fire. They keep trash and other combustibles away from the torch cutting area. They make sure a water hose or a fire extinguisher is close by. Compressed gas cylinders need to be secure so they won't fall. Stored oxygen and gas cylinders should be secured and separated by required distance or by a special approved barrier. And no smoking anywhere near these cylinders, son.
Watching her use that torch made me thirsty.
Tell you what, why don't you go get a drink, then meet me by those trucks.
Sounds great.
Hey, kid.
Huh? What? You again? Oh, no.
Are you paying attention to what Gus is teaching you?
Yeah, sure. I mean, don't go over there. Don't touch this. Don't look at these. Keep your hand on this and wear these. Why do we have to learn all this safety stuff?
Well, you see, the rules...
Wait a minute. I am talking to a piece of metal? I don't think so. See you later.
Too bad.
Gus!
Over here! Did you get a drink?
No, just a lecture. What are you doing?
Just trying to keep the place neat and clean.
Isn't that kind of like impossible?
Oh no, housekeeping is very important, especially for safety. Oil and grease can be a hazard for workers walking or when driving equipment. Loose scrap on a roadway or railroad track could be run over, damaging the equipment or ejecting out and hurting someone. And scrap on a walkway can be a slipping or tripping hazard. So, you need to clean up grease, oil, or anything else that could cause someone to slip. And keep scrap or other materials off of areas where equipment moves and away from people who need to walk or climb. one of our big rigs is here. I want to show you something, so why don't you follow me?
Don't tell me. More safety lessons.
We operate several different kinds of containers in motor vehicles to move scrap. Only trained operators can drive any of this equipment. When working around this equipment, make sure the operator of the vehicle can see you at all times, so stay out of his blind spot. Forklifts and front-end loaders are not designed for passengers, so don't try to hitch a ride on one. And if you can ride in a vehicle and it has seatbelts, use them. Don't try to load or unload a trailer until all parking brakes are set and a trailer's wheels are chocked. Make sure you don't smoke anywhere near where these vehicles are being fueled. And don't jump when getting off of a high vehicle or container. Instead, maintain a 3-point contact. 2 hands and 1 foot, or both feet in 1 hand. You have to be aware of slippery, loose, or unsteady surfaces. Make sure you have a clear path to climb in both directions. And don't ever climb over moving surfaces like conveyors or shaker tables. We've covered a lot of material this morning, and because it's so important, I'm going to review it with you again after lunch. So see you in the lunchroom.
Oh no, we're gonna go over all that stuff again?
Have you seen the forklift operator?
No, but I
Well,
could,
if you do, tell him to send the forklift on my way.
Oh. Now's my chance to finally show them I could be a good worker.
This thing looks like it'd be easy enough. Looks like a car. Let's see now. I put my foot here. That thing over there must be the accelerator. Woohoo! Whoa, wee! This is fun! Oh, woo! Ah! Ah! Woohoo! Woo! Ah! All right! Woohoo! Woohoo! Get out of the way! Oh, no! Oh, hey, get out of the way over there! Watch out! Oh, no! Hey, you! Get out of the way! Oh. Hey, are you guys okay? I mean, I didn't mean to. I was just trying to help. Oh, but wait, I was just...
Hey, guys! Wait! Oops.
Oops, is that all you can say? Oops.
Look, I didn't think
You're right, you didn't think, and you didn't listen to anything I tried to teach you.
Okay, so it was a dumb mistake.
But it's dumb mistakes that can hurt or kill a lot of workers, and it wouldn't have happened if you had listened to me.
I was listening.
Oh, yeah? What do you do if you have scrap jammed in the conveyor? What do you do before you go into a confined space?
Get a flashlight.
Give me an example of housekeeping.
Cleaning your room.
You didn't listen to anything. You know, I better go check on the guys you almost ran over. And when I get back, I'll have to decide if you can be a safe worker.
Okay.
Oh.